Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming circuits are dead, safety first. Next, remove lights, diffusers, and vents so nothing drops during work. Once done, locate the main T-bar seams and the continuous carrier channels that hold tiles. This is where you'll begin. Use a ladder and gloves, pry up one edge of a tile to expose the T-grid. Make the first controlled disengagement at a corner seam. This gives access to the grid fast and prevents sudden collapses. Now you continue by supporting tiles and lifting an entire row to relieve pressure on the grid. You want to work outward from your initial gap, removing tiles methodically so nothing falls unpredictably. Once a clear path exists, unhook the hanger wires from the carrier channels. If hangers are twisted or corroded, cut them close to the anchor with wire cutters. Make sure to lower each T-bar run progressively. Hold it with 2 hands and stack tiles nearby to keep the workspace tidy and safe while you proceed. Finish by removing perimeter moldings and then detaching the carrier channels from their anchors. Pry gently where caulk or paint bonds them. Once the main grid is free, cut and fold long channels for easier handling and collect tiles for reuse or disposal. Make sure to inspect the original ceiling above for nails or plaster damage. Patch as needed. If at any point the grid sags or becomes unstable, stop and install temporary support poles. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.